Want to drive sales from Facebook straight to your Shopify store? In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect Shopify to Facebook, set up tracking, and launch your first high-performing ad campaign in 2025. First of all, connect Shopify to Facebook. Install the Facebook and Instagram app. From your Shopify admin panel, head to the Shopify App Store from the left side bar, then click App and Sales Channels Settings. Now click Shopify App Store. In the search bar, search for Facebook and Instagram like this. Now click Install. This app is the bridge between your store and Facebook. Now click Install again. Now log into the Facebook profile connected to your Facebook Business Manager and grant Shopify the permissions it needs to integrate. So click Connect Account, enter your Facebook email address or phone number. Once connected, choose or create your business manager and then select the Facebook page that represents your Shopify store for consistent branding. Click Get Started. Now connect, then save and follow the process. Pick or create your ad account like this. Click Connect. This is where all your campaigns will be built and tracked. Then click I agree, then submit for review. Finally, verify your domain to prevent ad delivery issues. Set up your Facebook pixel to track website activity like purchases and add to cart events. This data powers retargeting and ad optimization. Click Create Ad. Now click Create and follow the process. In Ads Manager, now choose a campaign objective like traffic, then click Continue. Now select recommended settings option, then click Continue. Enter campaign name, then click Next. Set a beginner-friendly budget of $10 per day and choose your campaign start date from here and add your budget here. Choose your currency. Target the right people by selecting location, age, range, gender, etc. from here. This helps your ads reach potential buyers. For beginners, Advantage Plus placements is recommended. This lets Facebook's algorithm find the best spots for your ads across Facebook and Instagram. Enter your store URL, then click Next. Choose a strong call to action like shop now or call etc. Preview your ad across different placements to make sure it looks great everywhere. Once published, Facebook will review your ad, usually within 24 hours. Track performance using metrics like cost per click, click-through rate, and return on ad spend. Test different images, copy, and audiences to find what works best. And that's how you connect Shopify to Facebook and run ads that actually convert. Keep testing, keep optimizing, and watch your sales grow. Your Shopify store is now connected to Facebook. Your pixel is tracking, and your first ad is live. Remember, the key to success is testing. Try different creatives, experiment with audiences, and adjust your budget based on performance. Stay consistent, keep learning, and you will turn clicks into customers. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.